But say you walking down the street with your boyfriend, his ex come up try to fight you. You got your wig on, and you don't have a rubber band. She gonna snatch it off. Hey Marlana babes, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tori Yolanda, and by the title, you already know today I'm going to be doing what's in my purse. Before we get into this video, I just want to say thank you to my subscribers for supporting me. Thank you for always, watching, liking, commenting, and sharing all of that. I can't thank you enough for the support. It really means a lot. And to those people who are new to my channel and who've been watching me and you're just not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. One thing I don't get is somebody will just watch your channel and just not subscribe, not like, not do anything. Literally, like this video and subscribe right now if you haven't. It's one press. All you have to do is literally press the button. It's free. It takes 2 seconds. Probably not even 2, 1. It's 1 second. You just press it and then there you're subscribed. And I spent all this time, filming, editing the video to make it good for y'all. And y'all didn't be liking or subscribing. I don't understand. Put yourself in my shoes. If you was doing this, you would want all the subscribers, all the likes. And if you're just doing this, if you're still not subscribed or didn't like this video after this little rant, you're a hater. You're a hater. You are a hater. But you don't have to be a hater. Subscribe and like this video. But I'm done with that little rant or whatever. So let's get into this video. Thank you, skin. Y'all watch my skincare videos. I have 2 of them on my channel. Watch the skin come through. But anyway, this is my purse. Gucci bag. I don't know what the bag name is called. My mom just bought it for me. I have a red one like this, but I got it right when the quarantine started, so I haven't been wearing it out. So I'm just going to show you my black one today. It has this little detail, whatever. So let's get started. So I have some wet wipes in my purse. I mean, who doesn't? Well, now that all this stuff start going around, but I've been the type to carry wipes in my purse. You never know. But before this stuff started, 2 years ago, I went to the Dominican Republic. When I was in the airport, I was wiping everything down, escalators, handles, the stuff that you had to hold. And people was looking at me but now y'all see, I don't have OCD. I'm not a germphobe. Well, I probably am, but it's for a reason. It's for a reason. Y'all, get her some wipes. I cannot stress this enough. My grandma gave me these, and I've been had these. Okay, second, I have some receipts. This is from McDonald's. And this is for Walgreens. They're just receipts. When you're a boss and you buy stuff, you keep the receipts. Always leave a paper trail. Okay. Absence notes from school, tardies, whatever. I was always absent last year. Well, but this year technically, but the year is over because and I was always late, so, or absent. I've been sick, whatever. Okay, next I have my school ID. It's my ID or whatever. They put the crisis number on the back. I don't know. I really don't need this anymore because this year's done with. But let me just show y'all that picture one more time. I did not come to play. But yeah, just a school ID, They gave us, they will always say, you have to wear it around your neck or you're not going to be able to get in class. You're going to be... They didn't do any of that. But it is a source of identification, y'all. Please keep y'all school IDs in your purses, especially as young women, young black women. People are taking us. So if somebody finds your purse, then your ID's in here. I don't know. Just keep some source of identification on you at all times. I never really used this. Oh, one time I did go to Pink and they were having a student sale. So I just whipped it out like it was a driver's license or something. But you can also use don't quote me on this, but if you have a fake ID you want to get into a bar, you can use this to practice. Me practice in hand and then my fake ID. I don't know. it's just good to keep an ID card. Okay, next I have sunscreen, travel size, mini bottle, whatever you want to call it. Beach defense. We ain't going to the beach no time soon. But hey, it's the end of May and it's starting to get hot. Like really hot. Like it's hot right now. And we don't want no sunburn, especially to the girls who watch me who don't have melanin. Wear your sunscreen. I don't want to see the sunburn, the red. And SPF is really good for your skin too. And I like the way sunscreen smells smells good, but protect y'all skin. And it's water resistant too. Imagine you in a pool. Somebody asks you, oh, do you have sunscreen? And you do, and you pull it out, and it's not water resistant. So basically, you're just carrying it around for nothing. But give you some lotion. I even like the spray, the sunscreen spray. Get y'all some sunscreen. Just get y'all some sunscreen. It's getting hot outside. The next thing I have are my lip glosses. I should have been throwing this in the trash, but, you know, I like to use everything, and I haven't used this yet. But I'm about to throw it in the trash, because nothing's coming out, Tori. I just don't understand. But anyway, and it smelled good. It was so sweet. My favorite from Victoria's Secret. Whatever. This is my Fenty Beauty. This is about gone too. All this stuff was from before quarantine, y'all. Like, I don't go anywhere but school. Now that school's shut, I don't have no reason to be anywhere. So, whatever. In the shade Fussy. Fenty Beauty. Who you know paying $20 for lip gloss? It's me, but it won't happen again. And I'm wearing this right now, I guess if you can see, but so I just keep some type of lip gloss in my purse, because what if you out and a cute boy sees you and your lips are looking crusty and dry and unkissable? You need your lip gloss. Like, come on now, it's essential. At least if you don't like lip gloss, at least some chapstick, Vaseline, or something. And this is technically lip oil, not gloss, but you know, we use it as gloss. The clear gloss, let me put some on right now, because now, do you see that? Because I see. Yeah, keep some type of lip moisturizer or something. Especially in the summer, we about to be hot. Your lips going to be dehydrated. Keep some lip gloss. I have some hand sanitizer. My friend Michaela bought me this for Christmas. Still have it. It's in the scent Ginger Ham. Hope I'm saying that right. From Bath and Body Works. Still smell good, you know, because you need the hand sanitizer in your life. Especially with all these germs going around. You never know you never know when you might want to pop out a snack, eat a Cheeto, Cheez-It, anything. You have to have your hand sanitizer. Because what if you're walking down the street and you see Nicki Minaj? She's like, oh, hey, boo, do you have some hand sanitizer? And you don't have the hand sanitizer. Do you want to let her down? I don't think you were here for that. You should be her savior and give her some hand sanitizer. The scented one smells so good too. I'm about to put it on. Yo, I haven't used all this stuff before like March. I haven't used this stuff since March. So seeing it just kind of brings back some memories. Keep your hand sanitizer. It don't even have to be scented. It don't even have to be travel size. Keep whatever fit in your purse. It can be the real deal. Even though like they're completely sold out, like almost everywhere. Sold out of hand sanitizer. Get y'all some hand sanitizer, disinfectant spray, something to kill germs that you can use on your hands. Y'all know I'm big on my hand sanitizer and my antibacterial wipes. Because Corona coming to me, it's just not happening, okay? You can't catch me because I'm protected. And y'all should be protected too. I have a scrunchie, hair tie. You never know, we might need it, you know. Before this virus stuff, pandemic, whatever, I was on a dance team and we had practice often, so I just bring a hair tie to pull my hair back so the hair won't be all in my face, you know. And it's always good to, you know, keep a scrunchie, hair tie, bow, whatever y'all call it. Say you walking down the street with your boyfriend, his ex come up try to fight you. You got your wig on and you don't have a rubber band. She gonna snatch it off. But you gotta pause and say, don't make me put my wig in a rubber band. And you gotta pull like the scrunchie out so it'll make sense. But anyway, if you don't keep a scrunchie, you'll get your wig snatched and your hair pulled out. And it just won't be a good time. It won't. So keep a scrunchie. Okay, next. My house keys. This thing was actually my sister's from my old set of keys. I just took it because, you know, I don't like having nothing on the keychain. I need something to point out, like the keys are here. Like, if I just had this, it would be hard finding these keys. But I can see this big thing. So I know my keys are on my purse. All I got to do is shake my purse like this, and I can hear it. So get you a keychain, put your keys on it. Never leave your keys behind. You know, when you lose your house key, your mom be like, not anybody can come in our house. The address is nowhere listed on these keys. But if you want to prevent losing your keys, if you want to prevent her screaming in your ear about you losing your keys, get a keychain, keep the keys on there, and just keep it in your purse. Because we don't have time to be locked out, okay? We don't. Okay. I have some writing utensils. You know, we was going to school for all this. I used to keep writing utensils in my bag. Whenever I'm in class, I just, you know, I need a pencil. I'm just taking my purse and start writing. So keep your pencils for math and other stuff, and pens for the class you do. And it's very important to keep a pen in your purse because let's just say you had a kid and his daddy was a deadbeat. So one day you see him and he has the child support papers. So we're like, I'm not signing it because I don't have a pen. And you whip out the pen like, give me my money. But if you don't have the pen, then you won't get your money. Your kid won't have no shoes. I mean, unless you're about that life and you grind for your children, which you should do, but keep a pen. You never know what you might have to sign. Keep a pen. I'm just going to do like this because I'm not risking y'all seeing my card. I just have a card. That's all y'all seeing. That's all y'all seeing. My card. You never know what you might have to buy. You never know what you might have to buy. Maybe federal per. You never know what you might have to buy. You never know if you're stranded somewhere and you have cash. You're like, oh, let me get my card. You never know. You go to a game, a part, whatever. I don't know. You have your card with you, so you can buy all these purchases. And yeah. And you have to buy all your purchases. So let's say you're walking down the street and a homeless man robs you. He's like, give me all your cash. You'd be right if you say you don't have any cash, but you have the card. I'm just so smart. Like, come on now. Y'all should know. Keep your card. Keep everything in this purse. Keep your hand sanitizer, antibacterial wipes, card, receipts, writing utensils. Keep your sunscreen, lip glosses, all that. This is what you need in your purse. And you know, when it's that time of the month for us ladies, keep your pads, your tampons, menstrual cups, panty liners, whatever y'all be using. And keep your wipes, not antibacterial wipes. You don't use that down there. It'll burn. But, you know, keep your baby wipes, if you will, your feminine wipes, whatever. Keep that in your purse. Just keep it in your purse. Okay, so that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. And keep what I said in mind. Keep all that stuff in your purse. It's necessities. And you need it. So thank you, Marlana Babes, for supporting me. Like I said in the beginning of the video, you know, I'm always thank y'all. I'm very humble. Thank you so much. And if you still haven't subscribed or liked this video, please do so now. Like, come on now. It's literally free. Why not support? I will support you. I would support you. And if you have a channel, if you're watching this, comment. You can comment down, let's support each other or subscribe to me. Because I be checking my comments and I do be subscribing. It's all about support. We have to support one another. Support me. I support you. And you will want people to support you. Even if you don't have a YouTube channel, whatever you're doing, you will want people to support you. So subscribe to this channel right now. It's free and it's one click. Literally. And like this video. It's free and it's one click. If you can do both of them, it won't take no more than 3 seconds. Because you press subscribe and you press like. And then it's there. You're helping me out. I think that makes sense. But thank you, everyone, for watching this video. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye.